You show what you got.
Oh, yeah.
It's about the Pokemon cards. Temporal Forces, Scarlet and Violet. Let's see what we got. Well, what do you got, guys? I don't know what to do. Usually.
Oh, you're so right.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What did you get?
Oh.
Oh. What is it? Pidove?
It's Pidove.
Pidove?
And then, oh, okay.
Pidove, apparently. Okay.
Panico. I have, it's
What are you doing sideways?
Meditite. Brzong.
Bronzong. Okay.
Ancient booster.
Ancient booster energy capsule. Iron treads? Is that a... Okay.
Beldum.
Beldum, and he's shiny.
Oh yeah, he's. Ooh. Mr. Oh yo. We got
Mr. Mime! I like that one. Mr. Mime.
And then
shiny.
we got Wugtrio EX.
Oh.
Ooh. And then we got a basic energy.
Rogue Trio. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And basic energy. It's just basic energy.
Basic energy.
Oh my god. So yeah, that's what we got, I guess. I'm trying to think. They're all stage 1 and basic.
Yeah.
Basic. We're so basic. Oh my god.
You got a money.
I thought you meant we had to like.
You got a money.
I was like,